What did I get? Oh, she's almost done. Why is this water? Let me I think it's more pretty than the rainbow girl. Hi guys, welcome back to Elisa and the White Channel. Yanka. Today we are opening a Barbie color review, and yeah, it's changing colors. When it comes out, it's metallic, and you can open it, and then you put water inside, and you put the Barbie inside, and you turn it into a Barbie that's colorful. But when you first get it out, it's metallic. I don't know. It's just so dark, but the doll will be like, I don't know what color it would be. It's just a mystery. The whole thing is just a mystery. Cause down here, that's mystery. I can't even take a pic of it. Show them yours. Look at that. I can't even see what's in there. The only thing I can take a pic of is that paper. I don't even know what accessories have. So that, look at that. All the accessories. Looks like it also change color when it's cold over there. Is it? Yeah? Yes? Okay. This is really light. Is it light? Hold it. Try it. Is it light? I know there's a Barbie here. You guys probably know there's a Barbie here. Maybe, I don't know you guys. But yeah, it has like a color change thing. When you get it out, it looks like it's metallic. The thing is metallic, looks like, I think. I don't know what's inside here. I don't know what's gonna happen later. I don't know how we're gonna do this. I don't know whatever. But let's just unbox this. Let's go! You can see a zip. It's like an LOL, you know. It's like an LOL. Okay, you can open first. I'm not gonna open it first. Whoa, it's like an LOL. Okay, it's kind of more better. You want me to open this, or you can? It's kind of hot. Oh, you can turn the rest. I'll just turn a little bit. Okay. What? Your puppy is like, whoa. What is this? It's a door. You can put your bags there, and it's almost my turn to open it. It's my turn to open it. Open. Okay, don't mix. Why is it like this? It's kind of funny. Let's take this off. Look at my Barbie. Kind of doesn't make sense. It's light. I think if you open it, it makes more sense. But it's light. I still don't know why it's light. Oh, now we have instructions. So, yeah. Instructions. Yeah, I'm not gonna read the instructions. I just want to figure out what we're gonna do with all of this. I just want to do that. What do you want? She wants this blue one. Let me show you guys. The blue one. She wants this one. Then let's open the blind bag. Look at this. It says no water, so don't put water in it. When I hold the Barbie, I know this is the Barbie because I see the head here. So yeah, I know this is a Barbie, and it says you can add water. And these items it says no water. I have two blankets. Open yours. Mine is a blue metallic. Oh my god. Do you have different colors? Oh, they're same. Okay. Oh, it looks like this is paint. it's cool. Now we're gonna fill this with water. Let's fill this with water. And 1, and a 2, and a 3. Fill this with water. No, we are not funny. So we're gonna dip these in the water now. You first, okay? Whoa! Put it in. I'm gonna put the cap on. Don't let the girl escape challenge. Yes, look at her. Funny. Okay. I don't need to make it too tight. I don't need to make it too tight. Okay, I'm gonna put this in now. Oh my god, it's dissolving my head. Put your head down. Oh, the blue goes to the water. Oh my god! Minus. Oh my god. Yours like 100 heads like beside her. Let me just see the front. Can I see the front? Whoa. She can see. She finally can see. In her life, she can see. But until now, she sees. Mine is not. What did I get? Oh, she's almost done. Yours are done. Yeah. It looks like she's peeing kind of because the bottom of her I can't say it, but it looks like she's peeing because these are shoes. When she comes out, I definitely will help her to wear these shoes. It's the glasses, the green glasses for you. Open my small blind bag. Oh, look at the glasses. They're cute. It's not yet done yet because her hair. It's spoiling this whole thing. Wow, but we have to flip you upside down. Sorry. Now we're gonna open the rest of the packets, the blind bags. Okay, now let's open my blind bag. See what is inside here. You can open it by yourself. Good job. Pink hair. That's why her outfit is pink. I really like her hair. Wow. So comfy. Oh, you got this skirt. She got this skirt. Yeah, she got this skirt. Wow, it's golden. I really like this golden skirt. Rainbow hair for you. Rainbow hair for her. I think we're gonna open this. She's done. I'm just putting it because she's dripping water. Just dry her out. I'm just dry her out, then I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, it looks cute. Look at that. It looks cute. Look at that. She looks cute. And we're gonna get these shoes for her. Oh, first we have to put the skirt. So can see. I'm more pretty than the rainbow girl. Yeah. But let me just figure out a challenge for me and Dora. You can color change first. Hurry up. I'm just gonna stay here and look. Are you done? Yeah. There's a star here. Look at this. There's a star. Show the camera. Look at that. There's a star there. It's a blue star. You like it? Yeah? What's that? You think anything's familiar? What? I'll put this in. I'm gonna put it straight on the ice. Yeah. Take it out. Oh, there's a really pink heart shape. Look at, there's a pink heart shape here and there's a blue star here. And they can, like, I like them. They are cute. The pink even matches the outfit over there. And the blue matches the hair. I like it. The color change this. Put that in and take it out. Put that there. And look at it. It's the color change. No heart shape. No star, no anything. Yeah. Oh, I'm tired. Let's get back to bed. Let me just take off my shoes. I don't know why I'm stepping on the bed with shoes on. Let me put shoes over there. Cause yeah, it's gonna make the bed dirty. I'm gonna keep my skirt on and I'm gonna go to bed. I'm just gonna wait for her rainbow star, whatever she called her, because in the collector guide there's no name, so I don't even know what to call her. Rainbow star? I don't know. But let's go to bed. I'm so tired. The end of the video. We're gonna also go sleep now. Goodbye.